Yes. Today we are going to listen or access about the video relevant to search engine marketing. And search engine marketing is nothing but we will drive or increase the organic traffic towards the website. Today we will check how search engine marketing or the paid poll has been involved and what are the types of services has been involved. And this search engine marketing tactics or tips has been involved. It works for 2019 and beyond. So now we will check what is search engine marketing. Search engine marketing is nothing but driving or increasing traffic towards the website or the page or the services or the app by following on all the tactics of the offered by the search engine. There are many search engines like Google, Yahoo, and etc. Now we will check what are search engine marketing types. Search engine marketing majorly divided into two types like SEO, search engine optimization, and pay per click. It's PPC. It's nothing but pay per click. It's a paid marketing, and SEO is organic. Now we will check what is the difference between these two terms. SEO is an organic way. We will follow all the strategies and we will follow all the guidelines of the search engines, and we will implement that to drive good organic results for our page or the services or the app. And whereas the PPC is nothing but the paid, where we can target the locality, we can target the audience. It drives fast results. It's very expensive. It's a paid thing. So SEO is free of cost. Anyone can do. Anyone can achieve. Until unless he follows all the white hat tactics, he can achieve all those things. Whereas the PPC is a paid thing. It's very immediate. Shows you immediate results. So it's a paid one. So we will target the audience. We will target the locality. Everything can be done, and we will to drive good results. So this is the major difference. And now we will check what are the basic requirements to run a PPC campaign. So to run any PPC campaign, the first basic thing, any user, any person, even an analyst as a PPC expert, you should check. First basic requirement should be get done from the client or from your manager. Just check what is the goal the client had, either sales or leads, website traffic, brand awareness, or product awareness, or app promotion. And next another tip he has to keep in mind, choose the which kind of network he is looking for, a search or network or display network or shopping on the video network. So next another tip he has to keep in mind, what is the budget the client is willing to offer to run this campaign. So per daily budget, how much he is willing to offer for this campaign. Another tip he has to keep in mind, location and which locality you want to target, either India or US, UK, and which locality, and what kind of services he is looking for, either for the brand. And one more thing is, as an analyst, we have to keep in mind how to include the locality or the websites or the people interest or the demographics. This we have to keep in mind. We have to get this info from the client and which date to which date he is planning to run the campaign. So that and all we have to keep in mind. We have to get the info from the client and what kind of extensions he is looking for. We have to explain to the client like cycling extension, call out extension, call extension, structure snippet extension, app extension, and message extension, and promotion, and price, and the locality extensions. So these are the kind of extensions we have to inform to the client. This we are willing to make sure for your website. So these are the few tips or tactics has been involved. We have to make sure this has been to be done perfect before doing any campaign, before running any Google search campaign or Bing campaign, whatever the campaign we are running. We have to follow this major few tips which works for us while doing this activity.